Hey lovely people, and welcome back to Mrs. Brown's Chronicle. So guys, in today's video we'll be eating and talking about African star apple. Yes, African star apple is one of the native fruits indigenous to tropical African countries like Nigeria, and it contains lots of nutrients that many of us don't know about, and it also has numerous health benefits. African star apple is used in treating high blood pressure, diarrhea, digestive issues, and lots more. So without too much talking, just in case you're new here, my name is Chika Brown, and this channel is basically about food vlog, lifestyle, and DIY. Please do consider subscribing by hitting on that red subscribe button down there, and also click on the bell icon so you get notified each time I upload interesting content like this. And for my amazing returning subscribers, you guys are the real MVPs. Okay guys, let's get started. African star apple, from the leaf, the bark, the roots, the fruits, the seed, the pulp, has numerous health benefits and uses, but in this video I'll just be mentioning a few of them. Number 1. African star apple serves as a natural source of antioxidants, which helps to remove damaging oxidizing agents in the body and keeps the immune system healthy. Antioxidant-rich fruits like star apple can prevent radicals like heart attack and cancer. Regular and moderate eating of star apples can help reduce the development of dead cells by removing free radicals. Number 2. Star apple aids in digestive health. The active fiber content helps to keep the digestive system healthy and helps to overcome constipation and other digestive problems. It helps in normalizing your bowel movements as well as other problems of digestive system. Consumption of African star apple helps in preventing the most dangerous health problems like cancer of the colon. Number 3, it prevents anemia. Iron deficiency occurs because of insufficient iron in the body. It has a content of iron that is necessary for the body to produce hemoglobin and prevent iron deficiency, anemia. African star apple is a good source of vitamin C. Since the human body cannot produce vitamin C itself, we can easily get it by moderately consuming African star apple because it is one of those foods with a high vitamin C content. Vitamin C, which also acts as an antioxidant, controls collagen production, protects the heart, heals wounds, enhances vision, improves immune system, and decreases blood sugar level. Now you've seen how important it is for us to have enough African star apple. African star apple helps in weight loss. This is due to the fact that it contains very little amounts of calories and high amounts of fiber. Studies have shown that a serving of Agbalumo, African star apple, or sherry or Udara contains just 67 calories, thus making it a good option for people with weight loss issues, and they get fewer calories intake in the process of consuming Udara. And Udara will make you feel satiated for a very long time. Yes, another benefit of eating Agbalumo is that it has natural healing properties or remedies, whichever one. As mentioned earlier in this video, I said it is natural remedy for constipation. Yes, people also use it to treat toothache, sore throat, mouth gum disease, and much more. As mentioned earlier in this video, I told you it is beneficial from the leaves, the seeds, the pulp, and everything. The leaves, the seeds, and the fruits are good herbal medicine for treating various health issues. You can use the cooking of the leaves or barks to treat diarrhea and dysentery. The shell of the star apple tree aids in treating yellow fever and malaria. African star apple leaves treat skin rash, diarrhea, and stomach pain. The seeds of African star apple are also used in preparing ointments for treating skin infections and vaginal infections. Remember to consult your doctor before taking any self-medication. African star apple is good for pregnant women. African star apple has an acidic taste and is mostly liked by women during pregnancy because it helps prevent the urge to vomit. That's, most times they feel nauseated. So star apple helps a lot in some of these problems women face during pregnancy, like treating sore throat, constipation, and indigestion, and all of that. Therefore, you should consume these fruits during pregnancy because it will be of great help. African star apple is rich in fiber, like I mentioned earlier, which helps you to feel more satiated for a very long time. It prevents diabetes. Another essential benefit of the African star apple is that it aids in controlling sugar levels in the body, which is the best food for people who have diabetes. I think I've mentioned this earlier. Star apple fiber helps in keeping the blood sugar level under control. It is rich in antioxidants, which helps in protecting the body against problems such as cancer, diabetes, and heart problems. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to give us massive thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and also share this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm not stingy. Just tell me that you want in the comment section. Have you taken Udara this year? When was the first time you took Udara? Do you even know what it is? I think it's in tropical countries like Nigeria, Uganda. I think it's in Cameroon too. I don't know. In my local dialect, we call it Udara. Anambra will call it. Some part of Igbo. I'm from Igbo. Imo State. Some part of Igbo, Anambra, Enugu will call it Odala. Yoruba will call it Agbalumo. I don't know the Hausa name. So guys, tell me what you call it in your own local dialect. What do you call this African star apple? Some people call it sherry. I don't know where that's coming from, but I don't know why. So guys, please ensure you subscribe. Give this girl a thumbs up. See my Udara chewing gum. I love you all guys. Bye. Thank you for sticking around.